Waiting for everybody else. I think there was one more kid who was supposed to join, and you don't have to hide from me. You stay right in front of me, I can see your face. Okay? And anybody who's not paying attention in the class, there's going to be a nice phone call from me to the parents. So I want everybody to pay full attention in the class so that you are making good use of the time. Okay? Alright. So what we are going to learn today? Chicken and egg?
No, thank you. Financial literacy.
And what is that?
Financial literacy. Tic-tac-toe.
Financial literacy we talked about briefly yesterday.
The power of 10.
Power 10 also we talked about.
What about the power of 5? What about the power of...
No wasting time technique. Okay. Okay? No time wasting technique for anybody. Okay. So now we see Salmi also in the class. Bye-bye. So who is missing? I think nobody is missing. So, okay, I will decide. Instead of you guys just wasting everybody's time for next 20 minutes. So, chicken and egg was one thing that some of the kids wanted to learn. So, we learned that. Hey, Sami. Okay. So, chicken egg and egg we will learn about. So, that is nothing but converting fraction to a decimal. What else? You were saying something. Don't tell me a topic that I've taught you 5 times before. And you need to pay more attention. I'm getting a lot of tension from your side. Yeah.
Are they going to see the video 4 times?
For?
Are they going to see the video 4 times?
Oh, we'll see. We'll see. I hope that is not the case. But yeah, if that helps them, yes.
Haven't we already learned African vegetables?
We have learned a lot of things. You have learned, right? Now let's do a
Sir.
test. Yeah.
Okay, you can hear me because a minute ago my microphone wasn't working. So
Okay. Okay.
it's working. Yeah.
Wonderful. So I see one more new child in the class.
True,
Nihan
sir.
has joined.
Also, yesterday you said we would learn chicken and egg.
Chicken and egg. Yeah, we'll learn chicken and egg for sure. And let's see, there's one child with name Supriya. So, Beta, can you tell your name quickly? And which grade you are in? And then we'll start.
Say your name. Hello, my name is Gautam.
Gautam. So, Gautam, like you see all the kids on the screen, they have turned on the video. I feel more comfortable when I see you guys on the video, okay? So that we can make eye contact and we can talk. And when I see you guys, see your face and see your reaction, that gives me the confidence that yes, you are able to follow me versus not able to follow me. Yeah? So please turn on your video so that when the class is on, we can talk without any disruption. Yeah? Yeah, Gautam.
It's not letting me get it on.
Okay, that's fine. Then you have an exception for today. This is your first class any which way. Alright. So today we are going to learn chicken and egg. And if anybody in the class is a vegetarian, don't have to worry about it. We are not making any recipe for chicken. We are going to use the concept, the lighter concept of chicken and egg. Hands down, Yug, this is a class. This is not an exercise room. You are not in a gym right now. Okay? So, pay attention and be very serious. Okay? Math is a subject that is fun, but requires you to be serious. So, everybody here. So, we are going to talk about a concept called chicken and egg. And that's a terminology that I have developed myself. Okay? For you guys to learn something in an easier way, where you have to convert a fraction to a decimal. So tell me, who in the class knows how to convert a fraction to a decimal? Tasvik, no playing around with that. Okay. So who in the class knows how to convert a fraction to a decimal? Yeah, Aditi, you're saying something?
I think I know a bit.
You know a bit, okay.
I already know
like 4/10 equals to 0.4.
Yeah. So you know the answer part of it. And you know what? I always say, I don't care about the answer. Because I want to know how things are done. If I know how things are done, I can find hundreds of answers. If I don't know how part of it, then I might remember one answer, two answers, four answers. Like somebody say, okay, 1/2 is 0.5. Understood. But how? How that 0.5 came into picture? How was it born? Right? So that's what we learned. And anybody who is trying to play in the classroom, Ishan and Tasvik, I'm not going to tolerate that. You guys have to pay attention and be in the class, even if you are learning it for the 5th time. Because if I have taught it before, I can challenge. If I give you one exam problem to solve, can you solve it? Okay, now you will see. When I ask kids to be serious, even if I have taught the same concept in 5 different ways, and there are kids going wrong, okay? So now, Ishan, you want to solve one?
Can I challenge you?
Challenging is later. First you learn. Okay? 3/8. Can you solve it quickly? In 30 seconds.
Probably not in 30 seconds.
Solve it here on the board. Let's see how confident you are. So then sit down. So see, somebody in the classroom is trying to challenge the teacher, and I enjoy being challenged, okay? But then you can challenge only if you are qualified enough. And your qualification comes with your own knowledge. Laughing doesn't give you extra brownie points. Okay? Be careful here. Now, Tasvik, mind your own chair, mind your own pen, and sit quietly. Okay, so this is a fraction, okay? I'm saying convert 3/8 into a decimal. Who all can do it? Salini can do it. So I will let you.
I already did it.
You already did it. But you probably did it in a different way. Let me show you guys chicken and egg. Yaganya, do you remember? Were you in the class when we learned chicken and egg? Okay. Okay. Now let's look at the chicken and egg. Okay. So then you will forget about the answer for this, and you will actually enjoy doing it in future. When I say chicken and egg, Tasvik, pay attention here. If I say chicken and egg, here the main concept is a decimal. Remember this. Decimal is my chicken which keeps laying one egg at a time. That is the theory, okay? Decimal is like a chicken which keeps laying one egg at a time. Okay? Now, let's look at what chicken is doing here. If I say convert 3/8, Ishan, you said you kind of forgot. This is your last opportunity to remember it. Okay? Pay attention here. 3/8, meaning divide 3/8. This is 3 and this is 8. You are trying to divide. Okay? Everybody can see the board clearly? Don't spend energy on noting it down. Just pay attention on to understand it.
The answer is 6 remainder of 2.
What is that?
6 remainder of 2.
No. So you lost your chance. Now you listen to it. Okay? Divide 3/8. Now you can never divide 3/8. 3 is a smaller number, 8 is a bigger number. That is where chicken comes to your rescue. Chicken lays one egg at a time. So you said, okay, chicken, give me an egg. As soon as you put a chicken here, it gives you an egg. It gives one egg at a time, okay? We'll see what do I mean by one egg at a time. As soon as you call the chicken, it gave you one egg. Now 30 is bigger than 8. So now you start the table of 8. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32. I can go till 8 3 is 24. What is remaining now? 6. Again, 6 is smaller than 8. But I have my weapon with me, chicken, which is going to lay one egg at a time. So since I put the chicken here, it lays one egg. I have to just call the chicken once and keeps laying one egg at a time, every step. Okay? So the chicken gave me one egg. Now I have 60. 8 7 is 56. What is remaining? 4. Again, 4 is smaller than 8. I don't have to worry. I have a chicken which lays one more egg. 8 5s are 40. 3 by 8 gives me 0.375. Who all got 0.375? Nihan and Salini, you got 0.375, you got something else.
I got the same.
How much is that?
I got the same now.
No mockery of yourself, okay? You're making a mockery of yourself by making those statements. Because when you had to solve it, you did not solve it. It was me who was solving it, and you are saying you got this answer. Yeah? So this is not a what you call a comedy class. Yeah? It's a serious business. We'll have fun. But don't make comedy of what we are trying to learn, okay?
But sir,
Yeah, but
I put 1 0 at the
so yeah, 0.375.
Sir, but when you put the 1 chicken that you said, you put a 1. Why did you put a 0 there?
So because you did not pay attention, I'll solve it one more time.
It's one more digit.
Okay, now, I'll solve one more problem, okay, so that the chicken gets in your head, okay, and don't play, pay attention to what I'm saying. There's something interesting for you. I'm just trying to say that in a funny way so that you don't forget, okay. Now, the beauty of the decimal is when you have a decimal, okay, you can put as many zeros before or after, the value doesn't change. Just saying 0.375 is not enough. You can always say 0.0375. That would make it accurate. Okay? That is the answer you got, Salmi?
Good.
So with decimal, you can put zeros before or after. You can put as many zeros you want. Okay? Just the word of caution is don't try putting a 0 in between. You cannot say I can put a 0 between 3 and 7. This is not the same value, this is a different value. Only option you have is you can put a 0 after or before. So if you have this, you can put 5 zeros here, the value doesn't change. You can put 3 zeros here, 4 zeros here, value doesn't change. Okay? So this is only the representation part of it. But if you say 0.375, that is also correct. Now, I will do one more problem and then I will let you guys solve few problems just to see if whatever I explained, you were able to do it by yourself. You pay attention, you are being watched out. Okay? Now, if I have 1 by 8, same thing, I'll repeat myself, just watch it out. 1 by 8, meaning I have to divide 1 by 8. 1 is smaller than 8, I cannot divide. I need to borrow something, get more power. I recall chicken. Chicken gives me 1 egg. Now I have 10, which is bigger than 8. 8 1 is 8. What is remaining? 2. 2 is still smaller than 8. So you had questions. Watch it here. I put a decimal, gave me 0, became 10. Now it's bigger than 8, so 8 1 is 8. 2 is remainder. Again, 2 is smaller than 8. I cannot do anything. But I have chicken. That gives me 1 more egg. Now, 8 2 is 16. What is remaining? 4. 4 is still smaller than 8. But I have chicken which lays 1 egg at a time. So chicken lays 1 more egg. 8 5 is 40. Done. Yeah? Did you see the power the chicken has? So, only thing you have to remember is decimal is like a chicken that lays 1 egg at a time. Okay? Use that power of chicken to solve it. Yeah, Nihan, you saying something? Okay. But did you guys like this concept? Will this remain with you guys for some time? Okay. Now let's solve 2 problems. This time I'm going to flip the table. It's not me who's going to solve the problem. This time it's you guys. Okay? So let's see. 6 by 8 and 3 by 12. No, not 12. So there are 2 problems, okay? 6 by 8 and 3 by 7. I want you guys to convert that to decimal. And I would not be interested in the answer. Like I always say, I don't care about the answer. I would be interested in knowing how did you approach it. Yeah, go ahead, do it. Fun is over. Now it's time to do sums. So Akshara, you are there, right?
Yes.
Okay. No,
I'm just doing.
no, you do it, but I was not able to see you. I was wondering whether you got disconnected or something. Okay. You might not be able to find a final solution for this one. If you get stuck halfway through, just tell me where are you getting stuck and why. You are not starting, so you are anyway stuck from the beginning. Do it better.
I know, I'm thinking.
No, you're not. There's nothing to think. If you were paying attention to what I was doing, then you would have started by now.
I'm sure.
What is that you're done? So, 48. How many times of 8 gives you 48? 6, right? Yes,
Yeah.
write the 6 here. Then, what is remaining now? 60 minus 4. So, see, I'll show you here. And then,
I've never done this before that.
this is not supposed to be done before. I just taught you guys. You are not paying attention. That is where things go wrong. 8 dividing 6. 6 is smaller than 8. So you ask chicken. Chicken gives you a 0. Now 8 1 is 8. 8 2 is 16. 8 3 is 24. 8 4 is 32. 8 5 is 40. 8 6 is 48. 8 7 is 56. 8 8 is 64. So if I do 8 8 is more than this. 8 7 is 56. That's the maximum I can go. So 8 7 is 56. What is remaining? 4. Now chicken gives you one more egg. Now in the table of 8, 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 16. How many times of 8 is 50?
8 times 5.
So you write a 5 here and you write a 40 here. This is not difficult. You have to just do it. Okay? Do the second one. Okay. Who all are ready? Aditi, how much is the answer for the first one?
The first one is 0.75, and the second one is 0.428.
This one is 0.428. Okay. Anybody got a different answer than Aditi for the first one? Yep. Yeah, Syanvi.
I got 0.120.
For the first one? How much was that? Say that again.
0.120.
0.120. Okay. How about the second one?
0.122.
0.1?
22.
Okay. How about you, Gautam?
I'm still doing the second one, but for the first one I got 0.125.
0.125. So, first one is 6 by 8, right? Okay. And how much did you get, Nihan?
The first one I got 0.75, and the second one I got 0.428.
Okay. How about you, Yaganya?
For the first one, I got 0.75, and the second one, like, I didn't got the answer, I just like keep repeating.
Okay, that's an interesting one. Okay, Tasvik, how much did you get?
And for which one?
What? Both.
For
First
the
one.
first one, I got 0.75, and for the second one, I'm still working on it.
Okay. How about you?
I got the first one 0.75.
Okay, show me how did you get that? Okay. Yeah. Why minus here plus here?
Oh, I meant to do minus.
Okay. Yeah, second one you are working on?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what Salini got.
On the first one, I'm doing the second one. On the first one, I got 0.741.
0.741. Interesting. So many of you are getting different answers. That is why I keep saying I don't trust anybody. I only trust myself. Okay, let's see. Akshara, what did you get?
The first one, I got 0.75.
Okay. So 0.75 has more votes. Okay. How about the second one?
I'm doing
Okay. Okay. Yeah. What did you get?
For the second one,
Uh-huh.
I got what is that?
Point.
Oh, 0.42.
0.42. That's it. Okay. Show me how did you get that? What did you do?
Do I do write a 0?
You can write a 0. That is optional. But yeah. 7, 4, 3, when you do 30 minus 28, how do you get 1?
30. Oh.
Okay. All right. Anybody doing anything with the second one? 3 by 7. Anybody got a concrete answer? No? Interesting. Okay. Sally,
I do.
what did you get?
I got 0.425.
0.425. Okay, that's. See, this is the reason why I get confused. Yeah.
I got 0.42.
0.42. Okay, so 0.42. Okay. How about you, Tasvik?
Still working on it.
Still working on it. Okay, I will request you guys to stop. Stop, because there's a reason. Okay, this was a trick question. You will not get the answer for this one, if I'm not wrong. No, you'll not get a finite answer for this one. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah.
Right now, my answer is 0.4285714.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So you are still doing it. Yeah. So this one is a scenario where you'll not get a straightforward answer. But before I try solving it, right, I want to inject one thing in your mind that when it comes to math, remember this one line. Okay? Don't use it everywhere. Only for maths. Okay?
Sir,
Yeah.
I kind of messed up on that one.
Uh-huh.
I got 0.428 because I messed up on the thing.
Okay.
On the last lesson.
Okay, right. No, I was giving a very important message to many of you, saying that there's a three word phrase. I don't trust anybody. That is applicable only for maths. Okay, so don't trust anybody. Math is all about doing by yourself. Okay, you never say this statement to anybody respectful. They will get offended, saying, okay, why are you saying so? We have to trust people for sure. But when it comes to math, don't trust anybody. Meaning, you do it yourself. Yeah, sure, you're saying something.
I also got 0.28.
0.2 for the second one? Okay. So now, since I keep saying that I don't trust anybody, I got so many answers, I am confused. Which one is the right answer? Who is my best friend? I don't know. Right? So let me find it out. And that comes by doing it. And again, just watch me doing it very patiently, very carefully, okay? I'm not doing anything tricky, difficult or complicated. I just need your attention for next 5 minutes. Okay? Everybody. 6 by 8. Same thing. 6 by 8 and 3 by 7. Let me write 3 by 7 in this corner. 3 by 7. So that don't forget it. 6 by 8. Meaning I have to divide 6 by 8. Okay? Now simple thing. Oh, 6 is smaller than 8. I cannot do anything. I need more power for this one. And that power comes from chicken. Chicken gives 1 egg. You see here. Now 60 is bigger than 8. So I can look at my table of 8. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64. I cannot go to 8 8 8 7 is 56 is the maximum I can go to. 8 7 is 56. What is remaining? 4. Again 4 is smaller than 8. But chicken, my best friend, is giving 1 egg at a time. 8 5 is 40. All that. So most of you got 0.75. Same approach, nothing new, only the process part of it, okay? If you know table, if you follow the steps, you will not go wrong. Now, let's look at the second one. So whoever got 0.75, they know why they got it. If somebody who did not get 0.75, you can probably review your solution and see where it went wrong. And again, another thing is, never jump steps. If you look at in the class, every day you will see when I'm solving a problem, I solve it like telling a story. I don't jump step. Okay? So, when you see it step by step, you will find it. Now, let's look at the second one. 3 divided by 7. Everybody here, I don't want you to play. This is not a play time. This is a math class. Pay attention here. Divide 3 by 7. 3 is smaller than 7. Our problem continues. Who will come to our rescue? Chicken. Chicken gives 1 egg. Now 30. 7 4 is 28. What is remaining? 2. Again 2 is smaller than 7. Don't have to worry. Chicken is there. You get 1 egg. 7 2 is 14. What is remaining? 6. Again 6 is smaller than 7. But don't worry. I have chicken. Chicken will give me an egg. 7 8 is 56. What is remaining? 4. I don't have to worry. There is chicken. Chicken will give 1 egg. 7 5 is 35. What is remaining? 5. 5 is smaller than 7. I don't have to worry. I have chicken. See, when I said chicken lays 1 egg at a time. See, how many times chicken has laid egg? 1 egg at a time. But remember this. It doesn't give you 2, 3, 4 eggs. Okay? Only 1 egg at a time. 7 7 is 49. What is remaining? 1. 1 is smaller than 7. 1 is smaller than 7. Don't worry, chicken gives 1 egg. 7 1 is 7. What is remaining? 3. Decimal gives 1 more egg. Chicken giving 1 more egg. 7 4 is 28. What is remaining? 2. See what is happening. Now you started from here and again came back to 30, 20 and this cycle will repeat. So this is not going to give you a finite answer, okay? Now you will see it will continue and chicken is not going to be tired. Chicken will keep on laying egg. We will get tired actually, okay? We will get tired, okay? See this is repeating 5 1 4. Then 2 8 5 7 1 4. Again 2 8 5 7 1 4. So we'll keep on repeating it, okay? But so here when you see this is not ending, you can say, okay, fine, this is approximately this one, 0.4285. You can stop there. Or you can say 0.428. That is also fine. That's the approximate value. Because this is not going to give you a finite value, this circle will repeat. Neither the chicken will get tired, nor this division will get tired. They'll keep on playing. Like the way Russia and Ukraine is fighting for the last 2 years, right? One country fires missile, second country also fires missile. Then Russia fires missile, Ukraine fires missile. They probably have started enjoying it, right? Both of them will not get tired. The poor people will keep on suffering. But anyways, the agenda is not to talk about Russia-Ukraine war. What I'm saying is, like the way it is repeating there, same thing is happening here also. It will keep on repeating. So you will have problems where you will have finite answer like When we solved 6 by 8, we got 0.75 and it stopped. Everything became 0. Here it's not becoming 0, so it will continue. Okay? And then when it happens, you can pick first 2-3 decimal places value and use that. Is that okay? Now, whoever got different answers, compare this with your answer and see if there is something that you missed. Otherwise, I have not taught you guys anything complicated. I just taught you a simple one-liner, chicken legs. Decimal is like a chicken which lays one egg at a time. That's it. That is all we have learned in the class so far. And if after spending 35 minutes, if that one line is not able, you guys are not able to understand well and apply it, either I am a bad teacher or you are not paying attention. Yes, Ranvi. I'll come.
Can I do one more problem?
One more problem? Yes. Yeah, Ishan, you had raised hand. What was that for? Huh?
Can I test you now?
See, okay, test me now.
Okay, I don't know.
No, tell the question. See, Andy is asking me to solve one more problem. That's what I'm saying. You give me the question. You have to test me, right?
7
Uh-huh.
by 12.
7 by 12. So, Ishan wants to test me if I can solve this one. Convert this to a decimal. I have nothing to do. It's very simple. It says 7 by 12, meaning divide 7 by 12. Fine. Very simple problem. I have a 7, which is lesser than 12. I need to make it big. Who comes to my rescue? Chicken. Now, 12 5 is 60, 12 6 is 72. I can only go to 5. 12 5 is 60. What is remaining? 100. Sorry. What is remaining is 10. 10 is still smaller than 12. But I have chicken, lays one more egg. 12 8 is 96. What is remaining? 4. Chicken gives me one more egg. 12 3 is 36. What is remaining? 4. Chicken gives one more egg. 12 3 is 36. Remaining 4. Chicken gives one more egg. 12 3 is 36. Remaining 4. And we go on. See? So this becomes 0.58333333 till the time you sleep. Okay? You can keep on saying 3333 till you get tired and fall asleep. Okay? So this one was also not giving you a finite answer because this is not going to get solved. Every time you get a 4 remainder, the chicken gives you one egg, becomes 40, 12 3 is 36. Again 4 remainders, chicken gives you one egg, becomes 40, 12 3 is 36. And you can just go on doing it till you waste 20, 30, 40 pages and tired and fall asleep. Yep. Is there no bug on that table which is biting you behind? No? Okay. Then why are you trying to hide yourself from the bug? Okay. Alright. So, everybody got it right? Easy concept, nothing to worry. Now reverse the cycle. I said you have a fraction, convert that to a decimal. If I say you have a decimal, convert that to a fraction, what would you do? Meaning, we had a fraction, we did division, found out the chicken egg story, and we solved it. If I say convert 0.12 into a decimal, how much that will be? Convert decimal into a fraction. I am saying reverse the story. Convert this decimal into a fraction. How would you do it? You remember? No? You don't? Very nice. Yeah.
Wait, what?
Now I'm saying, do you remember? How do you find it? Okay.
I just went to ask if I can test you on converting fraction to decimal.
Yeah, you can. So, okay, Aditi, tell me. Okay, so you can do that. Let me teach this first. Okay. Yeah, Aditi, you had a question.
To convert 0.12 is 12 tenths.
12 tenth? Is this what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay. Shanvi, you also had raised hand. How much that will be?
I never got to learn that technique.
Okay. Now we will learn it anyways.
I think it's 12 by 100.
Okay, the other answer is 12 by 100. Okay. Any other answer? Yeah, yes, Yelenia.
Even I got 12 by 100.
12 by 100 you got. Okay, Nihan. You're talking on mute, beta. I cannot hear you.
1 whole and 2 out of 10.
2 out of 10.
1 whole and 2 out of 10.
No, I did not get that. Say that again.
1 whole and 2 out of 10.
1 whole and 2 out of 10. Okay. So you are converting that to a mixed number. I'm saying convert that to a simple fraction. The simple fraction.
Then 12 out of 10.
12 by 10. 12 by 10. Okay. Any other answer? No? Now, yeah. Do you remember? You said 12 by 100. Okay. You, any guess? Any blind guess? We are anyways blindfolded right now.
Well,
Yeah.
5.
Yeah. Yes, Ami.
Yeah, me too. It's 12 by 100.
12 by 100. Okay.
12 by
Okay.
10.
12 by 10. First of all, this is not a casino. Casino where you play games and you can win lottery, you can win millions or you might lose money. So you are playing it like a casino, okay? I know this is a fun class where you have to play, but play mathematically. Don't play blindly, okay? Now, okay. Who dropped off? Salni. Okay. Yeah.
Do you want us to explain how we got it?
Yeah. So you tell me how you got it.
So I got it by so if you have 12 cents, let's say 100 is like $1.
Okay, stop it there. Because you will tell me a long story and that will not give me a clue. I'm trying to find the clue. So that's what I was looking for. Okay. Anybody in the class who can tell me how did you get 12 by 100 for this one? In a simple way. Gautam, you're talking on mute.
I'm just talking in my head.
Okay.
Talking in your head.
Okay. How about Yaganya? How did you get 12 by 100?
I added the numbers after the decimals.
Okay. How about you, Sammy?
So that's 12 hundredths, right? So I just put 100 beneath it.
Okay. Now I will tell you. Okay. Yeah, Akshara, you're saying something. Tell me. Yeah.
I multiply 10.
Okay.
10 into 1.
Okay. Now let me tell you guys a trick for doing it. Okay. And you can use the same trick for each and every problem that where you have to convert a decimal into a fraction. Okay. One simple trick. You can convert every fraction, every decimal to a fraction. If you pay attention. Okay. Now, I have any decimal number, okay? What will I do? I will just write everything as is. Okay? I will just ignore that there is a decimal in between. I just ignore the decimal, I wrote the number as is. Oh, I made a mistake. I missed the decimal. Now let me do the damage control. There was how many decimal? One decimal, right? Only one decimal. So for this decimal, I put a number 1. There was one decimal, so I wrote 1. I mean, any decimal doesn't have more than a decimal anyways. But I'm saying there's one decimal, I'll put a 1. Now I will count how many digits are there after this decimal. 1, 2. 2 digits, 2 zeros. Done.
Now I remember.
So a 0 before 12 doesn't make any sense. I can just take it out. It becomes 12 by 100.
That's basically what I did.
Yeah. So now if I say convert 24.629743 into a fraction, People will say, oh, this is a big problem. This is not a big problem. Very simple. You forget about the decimal in the first place. 24629743. You just write all the numbers that you have on the screen. Now, say, okay, fine. Now I want to fix the problem because I forgot the decimal. So there is one decimal here, one decimal, I will write a 1. And then on the right hand side, how many digits are there? 6 digits. 6 digits meaning 6 zeros. That's it. Done. No intelligence. Simple concept.
Oh yeah, it's very simple.
Yeah. Now, whether you have 20 digits or 80 digits after decimal, you don't care. You will just write the number without caring about the decimal, and then in the next step you will say, okay, fine. Now I cannot ignore the decimal. So there is one decimal. Respect for the decimal, and then count how many digits are there. As many number of digits you have, you put that many zeros here. Done. And you will not go wrong by this. This is a simple counting. Here counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 meaning 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done. If somebody says convert 1.3 into decimal, very easy. I will first write the numbers. Forget about the decimal. Done. Now, oh, let me fix. There is one decimal, so write a 1. And you always count on this direction, on the right hand side, okay? Don't count the digits on this side. Okay? So, one decimal, you put a 1. And then how many digits are there? One digit. One digit meaning 1 0. That straightforward. No magic, no complication. Yep. Yep. Okay. Now, let me give you guys two problems. Okay, 1.43 and 2.019. Convert these two to fraction quickly in 30 seconds. 30 seconds is what it's supposed to take if you have learned it, if you have heard me.
Sir, I got it.
Okay.
I got it.
You got it? What did you get? 1.43. 1.43, what happened? 1.43. Listen to the question carefully, because if you don't listen to the question, your answer will never be right.
Sir, I got mine.
What is that answer?
143 divided by 100
Okay.
for the first one.
Okay.
The second one is going to be 2,109 divided by 1,000.
Did you say 2,109?
Sir, I have my answer.
Okay. No, I'm just checking with Salini quickly. So Salini, did you say 2,109? No?
Yes, I said that.
Okay. Alright. Let's see what Yaganya and Akshara got.
Sir, I got 143 by 100
Okay.
for the first one. And the second one, I got 2019 over 1,000.
Okay. How
I
about
got
you?
the same thing as Yaganya. I got 2019
Okay.
and 143.
Okay. How about you, Akshara?
I got 1,000.
Which one?
Yes.
140.
Second one.
Second one you got 2,109 or 2019 by 1,000. This one or this one?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Nihan, what did you get?
I got the same as Yagami.
Yaganya, okay.
Can I just correct myself a bit?
Yeah.
I kind of got the second one wrong because I kind of miscounted it. So I go with that one only.
Second one?
I go with the second one.
Okay. Alright. Gautam, same thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I also got
Second one? How about this one?
143 by.
How about you?
For the first one, 143 by 100, and the second one, 2019 by 1000.
Okay. How about you, Yug?
I also did this split. For the first one, it's 43 out of 100.
43 out of 100. From where did the 43 come?
From the top, you said just put the, the symbol, you should just put it there, and then put the zeros there, and then just put 43 down there.
No. So, better. I'm being very serious now. Very, very serious. What did I say? So everybody got the right answer, okay? So no question. There's one confusion in the class. Yeah, Aditi, how much did you get? Same as Jaganya?
I got the same as you can hear.
Then yeah. Then I if I have to prove you guys wrong, I have to prove everybody wrong. Let's see. Let's see if that happens, okay? Alright. So you pay attention here. This is not a soccer field, I repeat. I did not teach anything complicated. You cannot go wrong. And you have to put a lot of effort for going wrong actually. 1.43. Yeah, I got it, Salni. 1.43. And what did I say? Just write everything without the decimal. So it's 143. It cannot become 43, okay? 1 cannot disappear. Okay? Oh, that O is not funny. Okay? This 143, I said, what did I say? Whatever you have, you don't have to eat anything. You have to just put it as is. Only thing you can eat is the decimal for a little bit. Then you cannot eat it. So I'm saying 1 decimal, put a 1. And then count how many digits you have. 1 digit, 2 digits. So 2 digits, 2 zeros. Done. So pay attention, okay? The math is actually fun. It's a lot of fun. But it becomes funny if you don't listen. So what you're doing is you're making math funny and go wrong. Just keep it to fun and that will be really fun. Yeah, sure. So now this one, same thing, you pay attention here, you. What did I say? Whatever you have, just write it down. Forget about the decimal for a little bit. And then you fix it. There is 1 decimal, write 1. How many digits you have? 1, 2 and 3. 3 digits, 3 zeros. Done deal. You cannot go wrong here without putting effort. That's what I'm trying to say. This is so very easy and simple. You cannot go wrong. So kids from the next level, if anybody is joining, you guys are 5 minutes early. Let's see who has joined. Okay. Who is Anirudh? I see somebody with name Anirudh. Okay. Anirudh, can you tell your name, beta? I don't know. Who are you? Are you in which grade?
Wait, is it me?
Oh, okay, Anirudh. Okay, Gautam is Anirudh. Okay, sorry.
I'm logging in my brother's account, that's why.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Now I was just wondering who is the boy who in the class whom I don't know. Okay, and then all right. So coming back to the point. Trust me, whatever we have learned today, we have learned chicken egg, which is for converting a fraction to a decimal, and we learned how to convert a decimal to a fraction. And both these concepts are very easy. These are very, very easy if you have paid attention, and you cannot really go wrong. You will not be able to go wrong unless you put effort for going wrong. Okay? Chicken egg, chicken gives you 1 egg at a time. When you call chicken, when you are dealing with a smaller number. Done. And then you go step by step. This one, converting a decimal to a fraction. Just write the number as is And then the second step, you put 1 for a decimal and then count the zeros on the right. Count the digits on the right and put that many zeros. That's it. Yep. Is everybody clear about chicken egg and the conversion of decimal to fraction?
Yes.
We have 5 minutes, okay? I want to use that 5 minute. So, Arav, you are 5 minutes early. Wait, hang in there for 5 minutes before we finish this class, okay? So, now, if I say, I have 2 1/6, convert this into decimal. Convert this into decimal. How will you do it? Bharatanatyam dance will not help.
And what?
2 1/6, convert that to decimal. Do you know how to convert a mixed number into a fraction? I keep saying 13/6. So as I keep saying, fraction is my best friend. Meaning when you have a mixed number, you convert that to a fraction. Now you convert that to a fraction. This is a fraction. You can convert.
I just remembered that.
So how do you convert a fraction to a decimal? That everybody has done it, right? You guys can do it. Yeah, Nihan, what did you get?
I got 2 and 16.
2.16. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. How about yours, Almi?
I didn't mean to put that. It was just on there.
Okay. All right. What did you get, Aditi? What did you get, Yug, without doing it?
Yeah. Never mind.
Okay.
I got 2.16.
Yeah. So basically, mathematically, we don't say 2.16. We say 2.16. You don't say 2.16 because you might come across something like 2.387. Let's say. You'll not say 2.387. You'll say 2.387. It can be as many digits after decimal. You just call out the numbers. Yeah. Arav, you put your hands down. This is not your class. So that's how you go about it. So see, we learned how to convert a decimal to a fraction to a decimal, and then I tricked you guys by giving you a mixed number, and then you have to convert that mixed number to a fraction, and then again convert fraction to a decimal. So remember this thing, fraction is your best friend. If you're dealing with adding multiple numbers, mixed numbers, simple numbers, natural numbers, convert everything to a fraction and then you can deal with it. So always use fraction as your best friend. That brings us to the end of the class.